In the vast digital landscape, two platforms stand as titans in the freelance marketplace. Upwork, a platform that connects clients with independent professionals, and Fiverr, a project-based platform offering an array of services from talented freelancers. These platforms, though similar in their mission to connect freelancers with clients, offer unique features and experiences. So the question is, which one is right for you? Starting with Upwork. Upwork is like a bustling digital city filled with independent professionals ready to take on your projects. The platform offers an enterprise suite for clients, which is like having a key to the city. You get access to a vast network of professionals with the ability to review work samples and client reviews. This is akin to navigating the city with a map and compass, ensuring you never lose your way. But it's not just about quantity. Upwork also prioritizes quality. The platform allows you to interview potential hires and negotiate rates, making sure you find the right fit for your project. But every city has its drawbacks. The sheer volume of professionals can be overwhelming, and the platform's complex fee structure can be confusing for newcomers. Now let's turn our attention to Fiverr. Fiverr is more like a bustling marketplace, offering project-based pricing for various services. Picture a vibrant bazaar, filled with stalls offering everything from invoice software to content marketing. With Fiverr, you get upfront quotes and round-the-clock support, ensuring you know exactly what you're getting into. What sets Fiverr apart is its emphasis on project-based work. This means you can hire freelancers for specific tasks or projects rather than on an hourly basis. This can be a boon for those looking for a quick turnaround on a specific project, but like any marketplace, it's buyer beware. The quality of work can vary, and the onus is on you to do your due diligence. So what's the verdict? Well, it depends on your needs. If you're looking for a vast network of professionals and want the ability to review work samples and client reviews, Upwork might be the better option. But if you're looking for project-based work with upfront pricing, Fiverr could be the right fit. Remember, the best platform is the one that aligns with your needs and goals. Whether it's the bustling digital city of Upwork or the vibrant marketplace of Fiverr, the choice is yours. So go forth and explore these platforms, and may your freelance journey be a fruitful one.